In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a coupon code on AliExpress. Let's dive in and explore how you can make some great savings on your next online shopping experience. To start, the first thing you'll need to do is log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on AliExpress, don't worry. Simply click on the register option and you'll be guided through the process with straightforward, on-screen instructions. Once that's all set up, you're ready to explore the vast world of AliExpress. Now, you might be wondering why coupon codes are such a fantastic tool. Well, they allow you to receive discounts on your purchases. Coupon codes can provide either a percentage off the total price or a fixed amount discount, significantly helping you save money without compromising on your shopping eagerness. To discover how to use these coupon codes, head over to your AliExpress dashboard. Here, locate and click on the My Coupons section. This is where you can see all the coupons available to you. If you're yet to acquire any, don't fret. You can easily get them by clicking the Get Coupon Codes button. This will take you to a page where AliExpress often features promotional campaigns offering these codes as part of the promotion. Grabbing these codes can lead to considerable savings, especially during sales events or seasonal holidays. Let's consider an example. Suppose you want to collect as many codes as you can for your preferred products. You spot a code for a specific item, say, a snapback hat that you fancy. Click to collect that code. Once you're ready to use it, navigate to the store offering the product and select the item you wish to buy. Clicking on the Buy Now option will bring you to the checkout process. In this step, you'll be prompted to enter your coupon code. Simply click on the Enter Code Here field and paste the code you copied from your earlier findings. A quick note: be sure to have the correct code ready, as it ensures the smooth completion of the transaction. After pasting the code, click on Apply, and you should see the discount reflected in your total purchase amount. We've also created a separate video dedicated to using coins on AliExpress to snag even more discounts, so be sure to check that out on our channel for additional tips and tricks. Once you've applied your coupon, you may also have the opportunity to utilize reward coins for even greater savings. Combining these discounts can really help maximize your purchasing power and minimize the final cost. After applying your discounts and being satisfied with the total, all that's left is to click on Place Order. And just like that, you've successfully saved money using coupons on AliExpress. Happy shopping!